discovered in the last problem that cattle grazing problems don't exactly have to do with cows and pastures. Sometimes it can be with art shows, the line that clears in when the art show is opened, how much time it takes to make that line completely cleared, depending on how many entrances you open. Now, in this problem, we're going to be looking at another different scenario for cattle grazing problems that has nothing to do with cows or grass. So let's get started. Yasmin is traveling from A to B. After a while, Xavier needs her for something and from A starts trying to catch up to her. If he rides his bike going 15 kilometers per hour, it takes 3 hours to catch up. If he rides a motorcycle going 35 kilometers per hour, it takes 1 hour to catch up. If he drives a car going 45 kilometers per hour, how many minutes does it take for him to catch up? So this is a classic catch-up problem. It's a type of itinerary problem where two people are going in the same direction, but one person has a head start, and the other person, usually the faster one, is trying to catch up to that person with a head start. So in here, this is actually, believe it or not, a cattle grazing problem. Our first step is to see which ones are the cows, which ones are the grasses. So the cow is Xavier. Cow. Because Xavier is trying to clear the distance between Yasmin and him. And Yasmin here is the grass. She never stops moving, which means that the distance between them keeps growing. All right, so none of them are stopping. They keep moving, and Xavier is trying to go fast enough so that she can catch up to her, which means that eliminating the distance between them into 0 kilometers. That's a way you could think about it. So we know that over here, let's see. So this is a quick sketch we can make. Xavier here, Yasmin here, they're all going the same direction from A to B, and B is somewhere over there. She hasn't reached it yet. So we have two different scenarios. Going 15 kilometers per hour, taking 3 hours to catch up, 15 times 3. It should be a habit now. And then subtract 35 times 1, and then divided by their difference in time, 3 minus 1. And our final answer for this, after simplified, would be 5 kilometers. So we know that every hour the grass grows 5 kilometers. So Yasmin goes 5 kilometers per hour. So we found Yasmin's speed, and that's a good thing. Our next one is to find the original amount of grass. So the original amount of grass is going to be this distance, the head start that Yasmin had in front of Xavier. So that would be 3. That would be 3 times the difference of 15 and 5, which is 30. So the original amount of grass, or the head start here, is 30 kilometers, 30 km. We have now the grass speed, how fast it grows, and the total amount of original grass. So we can take that 30 kilometers, and then we can divide it by the difference of 45 and 5. And that is equal to 3/4. So 3/4 times 60, 3/4 times 60 is equal to 45. Our final answer is 45 minutes.